In Germany, devolved government has worked exactly as Meyerson predicts. The most successful regional politicians get noticed and rise to national office. Such was the path taken by both Helmut Kohl and Germany's current Chancellor Olaf Scholz. It also worked in America. Presidents Carter, Clinton, Bush, and Obama all rose from regional prominence. Only Donald Trump broke this pattern owing to his celebrity. Recent political science has more to say on power. A key advantage of democracy over autocracy is fewer extreme outcomes. While a benign autocracy can speed up necessary change, making the proverbial trains run on time, a malign one leads to unspeakable catastrophes. There is no democratic equivalent to the 60 million deaths attributable to Hitler, Stalin, and Mao. Unfortunately, Britain has developed a unique form of democracy which meets neither of Meyerson's conditions. Not only is power extremely centralized, but the electoral system is grossly unrepresentative. Members of parliament are elected by first past the post voting, which results in it being concentrated in a two party duopoly. Center parties attract votes but win very few seats. Either of the political parties in the duopoly can consequently win a majority in parliament with only around 40% of the votes. Worse, the leaders of these two parties are selected by their paying members. Only a tiny minority of voters pay to join them, with the extremes of opinion on the far left and far right heavily overrepresented. These paying members form a tiny selectariat, barely 1% of all voters. The only power that British democracy allows the remaining 99% of us is to choose which of these two selectariat chosen leaders will rule over us. Worst, once a leader has a majority in parliament, they face only negligible constraints on how they use power. Almost uniquely, Britain has neither a constitution nor a second legislative chamber. The House of Lords is a powerless embarrassment. No other high income democracy comes close to these cumulative deficiencies.